All right, let's chop this shit up. First thing is first. P&L. Some of you may notice that this channel has been rebranded. I like the name Death Drop Trading. Gets to the point. We are positive today, 199 out of the gate. Futures are printing strength. I don't really trust this move the higher we go. As I said, the more we can pull back. Let's just look at VIX and inverse ETF buying on the 2 hour. Okay, this is not going anywhere right now. Falling, falling, falling. A little bit of buying there. Little tiny bit. Short term future volatility VXX. I mean, I think going forward, I don't really know if I'm going to buy these instruments unless they're printing really strong strength in the pre-market. Just because if the things really do drop, then I can always buy securities at a cheaper price. So, and they can run versus this instrument. Like if I push my net liquidity into this instrument, yes, sometimes you get some parabolic move like this, but I'd rather just go long with securities. So let's go to inverse ETF. I'm sure inverse ETF interest is really not that. It's a little bit on DOJ. It's popping above the green moving averages. It was the 8, the 13, the 20, and now it looks like it's popping its head above the 30. Clean trend up here in terms of the buying, again on the 2 hour. But let's check the futures real quick. I mean, you can definitely buy inverse ETF. I just like to see the flow, to see if possibly we could be entering a day where there is short interest accumulating and pushing out, and there's really going to be a breakdown. So we have to check the futures, which again, you know, they try to take it down below the 50. They popped it below the 50, and now there's 3 really strong pre-market bars. Now, some people will say, hey, you know, this doesn't mean shit. Well, I mean, dude, if you really look at it, it does mean shit, because if this broke down aggressively, you'd be waking up and saying, maybe we're going to have a breakdown today. But right now, the prices aren't really moving, and I know that for a fact because I can see it in my P&L. Now, I would argue this. The more we consolidate, the higher likelihood we will have a serious breakdown, right? Consolidation, breakdown. Consolidation, breakdown. A little bit of consolidation down here, break, not a very big break. Here's consolidation, breakdown. This is a weird pattern, but this is also sort of consolidation in a way. Consolidation is clearly here and then a breakdown. So lately, if we're in a mode where we're consolidating, consolidation, breakdown, consolidation, breakdown. This is a very tiny drop, right? This is not a big drop. Okay, this is repaired mostly. But the more we consolidate sideways, right? The more we just it's sideways action. We're not going anywhere. I feel like the odds are that we potentially break down. Now, I'm only net long. I don't short. So for me, it doesn't really matter. And I'm also all in tech right now. So I feel really safe because the NASDAQ futures, I don't know why this chart is not saving. I deleted all this shit the other day, and these trend lines keep popping up. Fix your shit, trading view. Anyways, you can see here that the NASDAQ futures to me are about to run. Okay. We had quite a bit of a sell-off, basically a week of selling. Okay. And I held through all that selling. Now, that doesn't really mean shit because we could just break down again. As I just said, this is all consolidation. However, we are also in a pandemic, and this is a tech play, which is totally divorced and different from any of the S&P 500 companies, unless there are tech. Just give me 1 second. Just want to take a picture for my friend. Showing them the trading setup. So yeah, it's a different dynamic because, like I said, there's been a lot of squeezing here in the Nasdaq. Now, this is the Nasdaq futures. Is obviously every security that you're trading in the tech market is going to show a different chart, but it's something to keep in mind that the overall trend right now is really trying to break out of this consolidation, and this has, to me, a higher probability of running than the S&P does. So yeah, I mean today really, I would just caution because a lot of shit right now is just bearish, and I'm gonna get into an article, and you just see these articles everywhere. Everything is just like fucking bearish. It's just like, dude, why? Everything's bearish, right? But the market keeps going up, so it must not be that fucking bearish, dude. Right? It may be bearish if you don't have any fucking money, right? Okay, and for some people that's no fault of their own. But I mean, I'm not going to sit here and concentrate on things I cannot control. I cannot concentrate and do anything about anything regarding someone not having any money, right? That's not completely divorced from being a trader, right? And you need to be able to trade this environment, because if you can't trade a bear market, then you certainly are not going to be able to trade long term. And then when the next bull market hits, you're going to be caught out in the open when they want to flip bearish, and you're not going to know what to do. So, this is why I always keep my head in the game and keep my head up, because every single day, I swear, guys, a new bearish article that comes out, and yet the market continues just to go higher, right? And that, to me, is the sign that two things. One, cautionary in the sense of these assets may be overpriced, potentially. That's one potential. Or that there's actually positive sentiment going forward that the economy is going to be okay, right? And things are probably going to get better, not worse, when a new president's elected. Okay. So because I think Trump's chances of getting reelected are small, without getting too political. So we're gonna get into this article. Before we do, just to take a look at the pre-market movement. Again, I'm only looking at shit that actually has weight to it. I'm not interested in, like, penny stocks or small caps. I'm interested in actual fucking companies out here, right? That actually do shit. So if you look here, Moderna's taking a hit this morning, and looks like PDD is also taking a hit, which is fine. That's an opportunity to buy PDD. I will not be chasing that because I already have shares on. I don't need to buy more at 82. I want to buy at like 74, 72, 70 if it keeps dropping, saving my net liquidity. Bank of America looks like it's still dropping. Interesting. I bought at the close, dog. I bought 30 shares at the fucking 2-minute close, dude. So for this to drop, 4 cents against me, I'm not that big of a deal, really. So yeah, but I'd be looking at banks and energy right now because they're just getting hammered, and those are the opportunities to buy at the right prices, right, at the right time. Maybe not today, but it's starting to look juicy for some energy stocks and some banking sector stocks. Ratings, I don't really throw too much weight into this, but we can just check it out real quick. So we can say today. Holy shit. Oh shit. Sorry, yawning early as fuck. A lot of shit being Amazon to buy. Well, no shit. What? Where the fuck are you? Overweight. Wow, a win. That's interesting. Not trading that right now. It's a hotel. Could be good long term, but I don't want to hold it right now. This is good news. Semiconductors keep going higher and higher. Gilead. It's actually neutral. I don't really fuck with Gilead. Dynatrace overweight. Fucking right. I'm holding that shit. Datadog overweight. Of course. I'm holding that shit, dude. Let's go. Not interested in Barrett Gold. Johnson & Johnson. Not interested at that price. Starbucks. Interesting. 92. That could be a potential buy. Dropbox. 28. It's a hold as well. I don't know. Am I in Dropbox? No, I'm not. I might buy some Dropbox today. IPOs today, a lot of shit. Is this today's the 20th? So I need to switch this to today. Nothing today, I guess. This week. Here we go. There they are right there. I don't really read options flow right now. Okay, here's the news this morning. Let's check it out. Updates for the vaccine. Great. Fantastic. Thermo Fisher. Chevron to buy Noble Energy. There you go, dude. So we're going to put XOM, VLO, Hess, ConocoPhillips, XLE, Chevron, all in here as the watch list. We're also going to put Boeing in there. We're going to put Raytheon in there, and we're going to put BAC, Citigroup, Capital One, JP Morgan, State Street, Wells Fargo. We're looking at shit that's hammered, as I said, dude. Okay, ExxonMobil's getting hammered. I'm gonna buy when there's strength there. VLO, little signs of life. I like what I'm seeing, but I'm waiting for the oversold signal. Hess, right? If we can load the goddamn chart, trading view, let's go. Jesus, not oversold yet. Huge strength up, going sideways. I'll wait for a breakdown. ConocoPhillips, oversold. I'm interested. I'll probably be buying right out of the gate on ConocoPhillips. 10 shares, 20 shares. Not oversold on XLE yet, but there's a lot of power and strength to this move up. CVX showing some strength here. Oversold. Looking to buy. BA. That's why I bought right there, because we were oversold. I'm going to hold BA. Could break down further. That's a hold for me. Raytheon. Powered up. Not really interested in these prices, but it's something to watch. Buying volumes going down, but this was going down due to the end of the week. So wait for that. This is deeply oversold. If this dips more, I will buy more Bank of America. Citigroup, not oversold yet, getting very close. Capital One, not oversold. JP Morgan, obviously not oversold. State Street, not oversold. Banks are probably going to get hammered again today. With my first buying being more Bank of America, because they're the ones that are deeply hurt and dragging people down. So let's continue here. I like that. NBL, Benzinga. Oh yeah, we're gonna put Starbucks on there since I see it on the newswire. 74. Not oversold yet. Uptrend. Strong security overall. Given that they're open, they're gonna be doing business during this pandemic. Not a lot of business compared to where they were. I think I might wait, given that I don't trust this move in the overall market going right now. But Starbucks is gonna be on the list. Manpower beat estimates. Let's check out Manpower. No, we're not buying that yet. Straight up massive red bar. Oh, fuck 2 hour, dude. I'm good on that. Blackstone. Let's go, dude. Fucking right. Put Blackstone up here. Take off Manpower. They're up. This is a hold for me on Blackstone. I'll buy more when it dips. Halliburton. Let's see what their earnings, I believe, are pre-market. Pumping. Straight up. Not going to fight it. I will probably buy Halliburton out of the gate. Maybe. Let's see what their earnings are today. There it is. We're buying Halliburton right out of the gate. No questions asked. This may dump against me. I don't give a fuck. Okay, look, we're oversold, pumping above the green moving averages. We're good. Yes, we're not oversold, but in this case, huge buying. Buyers are stepping in right there. Okay, if this dumps against me, I'll buy more. I'll buy more below, you know, whatever 1160 or whatever that is. Just give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Texting this morning. Got to keep those people informed. So banks are doing again better than I thought. Banks are up. So we're gonna put ONB and Bank of, is that Bank of Marion? Yeah. Oh, shit. Okay. The bank's up here. Huge power bar, dude. You don't fuck around. This is a big move. Maybe that will get sold down. So we'll be looking. This is weaker. This is way weaker. However, this bar right here. Now, this is what we're gonna do. We're not gonna buy immediately. It's stupid. People are gonna sell into this, but I'm telling you, someone bought this for a very specific reason, dude. They went long for a very, very, very specific reason. There's a reason why someone put that much power into the market. People will sell into that immediately, but I will be looking to load at the end of the day, or when this really dips back, maybe down to 1330. Then I'll be looking to get in, or maybe 1335, which is the top of this bar right here. So we'll be watching this. We're not going in right out of the gate because that's a huge move, dude. We could buy it right out of the gate, but I just want to see if they can pull it back. I don't want to get caught on the wrong side of that trade. BA. $10.38 per share. So this is dumping. Oh yeah, it's 10.38 per share. So I guess they want to push it lower. I don't know how that works. I'm not even going to think about it. Chevron is the play to me. I don't want to be overly confused about that. Lease options, $4.99 for SUVs. Too much in my opinion. Wow. GSK, dude. We need to keep my. GSK just keeps popping in my feed, dude. GSK. Sorry, GSK. Yeah, they keep popping in my feed. Big moves, dude. Whew, man. Jesus. Yeah, I sold into this last week. I want to pull down below if we can get there. I don't know if we're gonna get there. Showing a huge fucking power, dude. Jesus. Wait for a pullback on GSK. All right, let's check Netflix as well. See what happened in the pre-market. Consolidating, not going anywhere. Barely any fucking buying interest. Real buying power. Just, I do not want to play Netflix right now. I want to keep my eye on it. All right. Koifin, we'll check that at the basically at the market close. So I'll bring Koifin over here. We'll check Koifin again at the today's market. Let's see if they do any futures. Don't know if they do futures. Equities. U.S. sectors, factor analysis. I think I'm not going to overthink it right now. Yeah, I'm just not too familiar yet with this software, but we're going to check U.S. sectors daily at the close. This line here, and this is why I'm saying I'm interested in energy and banks right now. They're hit hard. Okay, now we're going to go to this real quick, dude. Okay, I'm tired of fucking seeing these articles, dude. Okay, these articles are fucking everywhere. Looming crisis and shit, dude. Okay, well, go and short the REIT market. Go and short banks, right? Because they have exposure to fucking mortgages, right? And see what happens to your P&L, dude. I'm tired of fucking seeing this, dude. I understand people are in pain, okay? Okay, I'm not a sociopath. I understand it, but this is shit is getting fucking ridiculous, dude. It's every fucking day. There's an article about this shit, and someone asked, you know, basically, basically, I just commented. I said, there's an eviction and foreclosure crisis looming, and the first thing I said, well, there's also a solution looming, dude. Okay, if you think that we're just gonna implode because a bunch of millions of people they have no way out, they're fucking trapped. It's not gonna go down like that, dude. It's not gonna. Some people will get fucked. We know that, right? But look, this is what I wrote, and then these are the responses to I wrote. So let me pull that up real quick. I said there's a political battle in Washington right now as elections are coming up. That's a fucking fact. Okay. And I don't work for a think tank, right? Think tanks are the ones crafting policy for fucking Congress, right? This will be addressed. Okay. A spotlight is on the problem that's obvious. They've seen these articles every fucking day now for weeks. Okay. Many states have already putting housing. That's a fact, period. Okay. Like you can get housing assistance right now. And companies like Texas and California are literally giving away money. Now, that money runs out quickly because there's a lot of people that need to help, but there is housing assistance out there, right? And here's another thing. There's going to be another stimulus check. We know that 100%, right? And there will be housing assistance programs in that stimulus check, okay? That doesn't mean you're going to get any, that may not mean that you're going to necessarily get any money, right? Depending on the nature of the bill, but they will be crafting policy to address this issue, right? And basically, they're risking their fucking political careers by not passing a bill by the end of the month or sometime in August. Okay, this is a pissing battle over the election right now. They fucked up so badly that the only way out is to help Americans with basically giving them money. I mean, there is no other way out for them. Like they have got to fix this situation at least on the monetary front, or they risk losing the fucking election. And they're not going to risk losing their power, right? Period. So they have to be smart about what they're doing, right? So here's the thing. So this is what someone wrote, right? First of all, I'm downvoted immediately. I'm downvoted for saying some real shit, right? Because these are fucking facts, dude. Things are getting fucking worked out and hammered out, right? It's not an easy situation, okay? You cannot sit here and say, well, America's fucked up and people were already fucked before this crisis, so what? I'm saying they're going to give people money. Is that not enough? Okay, what do you want? Do you want their rents to be free? Do you want their mortgages to be completely fucking repaired? Right? In the sense of just absolved, like you're really not owed any, you don't have to owe any money on this fucking mortgage, right? Like, what do you want? Do you want to turn someone do you want to have a lottery system so everyone making below a certain amount is like made a millionaire? Like, what do you want? Like, actually fucking craft a fucking response versus saying, oh, this is so much wishful thinking. Dude, the Titanic is fucking ship sinking. It's like, first of all, we knew this was an issue back in March. So where the fuck have you been? Okay? The Titanic is sinking. Mate, it's been sinking since a month before the fucking election. Okay? Or sorry, a month before the COVID virus. Okay? You're not saying anything fucking new. And that's why I said this I can say the same thing that you're saying to me, right? I can say it's wishful thinking for you to think that things are just going to get so fucking bad and millions and millions of people are going to pour into the fucking street, right? During a pandemic, right? It's fucking asinine and stupid, right? It's not going to fucking happen, dude. Imagine if 1 million people were to pour in the street in New York with nowhere to go. Do you know how much fucking chaos that would be? Okay? there would be instant fucking looting in the streets. Okay, they would be burning down the fucking mayor's office, right? Like, please think before you actually fucking craft a response, because you're not saying anything. I can literally say the same fucking thing to you, right? So actually say something, okay? And the same thing is here. Same thing is here. The timeline as follows. Okay, disaster first. First of all, disaster. Yes. Okay, we agree. Disasters come and then you respond. It's very difficult to craft a multi-trillion-dollar infrastructure for the next pandemic. We didn't do it, but let's be real. Even first of all, there would have been no. The priorities before this was not pandemic related. There was many think tanks and very powerful private sector individuals like Bill Gates saying that there was going to be a problem because they had, like, there was Ebola and things like that, H1N1 in the late 2000s, right? So there was really no way to avoid this given our particular circumstances. I'm not saying it's a good thing. I'm just saying that's what it is. Okay, so let's just read this before I dive in, because this really fucking article, this pissed me off so much. Not necessarily because I'm downvoted, because the fucking responses are just so fucking retarded, dude. Okay, so the corporate-owned media will try to push a narrative. Well, you're pushing a narrative as I'm pushing a narrative. Everyone's pushing a narrative. So if you subscribe to fucking corporate media, unsubscribe, dude. Please. Okay, no one should be telling anybody to pull hard on the bootstraps. I don't hear that out of Washington. If someone is saying that to you, post a fucking article, okay? Republicans are typically going to say that, but we know Republicans are fucking idiots. So unless everyone and their mother is saying that, which are not, right? Because I'm not hearing it. And I subscribe to a lot of shit, dude, including this fucking sub, which I'm now unsubscribed because this sub is fucking garbage. They'll argue that those who find themselves in dire straits somehow missed the memo. Okay, not necessarily, because I just said I'm not seeing evidence of it except for retards in the fucking South, right? Yeah, but see, here's the thing. People did spend, they were extravagant, right? And they kind of deserve, not everyone deserves their misfortune, but some do. Okay? You have to understand there's also a lot of fucking rich people, so to speak, that were wealthy before this pandemic that got completely wiped out. So yes, I'm not like crying over a rich person going out of business, but I'm also not crying over somebody who is also just unfortunate before this event becoming more unfortunate. I don't give a fuck, right? If you think I'm a sociopath for saying that, then that's fine. You can have that opinion. But I'm also not a politician. I'm not someone who's crafting policy. Okay, I'm someone who trades a fucking market, like millions and millions of other retail traders. I can give a shit what happens in this fucking country because really, it's not in my fucking control, and I have no interest in being part of the fucking system. So if you want to be part of the system, then you can be part of the system. So let's continue. We know that this has to happen. Okay, this is going to happen. We knew this was a big policy change for Democrats before the election. Okay, Elizabeth Warren, other politicians have been saying we need to tax Wall Street. So you're not saying anything new. No. Okay, homelessness is not. Let's just address this issue before the pandemic. This was not a huge fucking issue in this country. I'm sorry, but having less than 1% of the population homeless is not a serious issue. It's just not. There's over 300 million people in the United States. For there to be a few 100,000 people that are unemployed, with most of them being in the California, this is not a really big issue. This number could surge. It will surge, right, over the next 5 years because of this crisis, right? Unemployment, this is a bigger issue, which I agree with you, okay? But this is also going to be solved. Right now, it's being solved by a monthly checks, right, going forward. Okay, I don't even know what you're saying. Okay, maybe not. This is why I don't stake my fucking claim in politics, dude. Maybe the individual will continue to be blamed. You just don't know. Maybe the Democrats will get in office and they'll still fucking blame individuals. You just don't know. You have no fucking idea. Yes, there's sentiment in the United States that that is putting more um more stake in your claim here, but you don't know that. Okay, uh, going forward, and also you also don't know if this is going to be a fact. It may be slow right now because you're just fucking sitting here reading bearish news every goddamn day. But for every fucking statistic you put up, I can give you a counter statistics. Right? It just takes time. It takes years for the overall picture to play out, dude. I'm not saying we shouldn't do anything. I'm just saying that an article is meant to get your fucking attention, dude. All right. I mean, okay. All right. No, it doesn't take 3 years, right? Apparently, from your thinking, it's already fucking happening, right? It's been happening for the last 4 years. It doesn't take another 3 years. Okay, dude. Yeah, I said basically the election is coming up. You're saying the same thing. Let's wait for the election. So you just fucking said what I said in a way that you could have stripped out like 90% of what you fucking said. You're just blabbering. You're just fucking no facts, dude. Give me facts, okay? Yeah, this sub is fucking trash. Exactly. Okay, dude. Cool. Again, you stay in the bear camp, dude. Nothing is gonna get better. It's just gonna be a fucking slaughter, dude. Sheep to the slaughter, right? Exactly. It's fucking nothing but bearish fucking sentiment, dude. Okay, and this shit right here, dude. I'm so fucking over this, dude. I'm so over this shit, dude. Like, please. Like, you. Okay, so you had a child. So what? Don't put your child in front of this, dude. No one cares that you can't save fucking money, dude. No one gives a shit, dude. And what do you want? Again, what do you want? Higher wages? Move to fucking Norway. Move to Denmark, dude. Right? I'm sure they'll take you in, right? You want a cheaper living standard? Go to Mexico, right? See how long you survive there, right? Like you could probably cut way more fucking expenses than you have, right? And then living in a ghetto. Okay, first of all, I've lived in the ghetto for years, dude. Through college and then when I grew up, right? Only now after fucking years and years of fucking getting slammed in a job am I able to get out and live somewhere else. But I'm telling you right now, I'm probably gonna move back to the ghetto because shit is gonna get so fucking expensive with inflation coming for the next several years that I'm gonna make those sacrifices. If you don't want to make those sacrifices, then don't make those fucking sacrifices, dude. Period. Well, no shit, dude. People have to work. Okay, well then don't use credit cards. Just don't pay for shit. See what happens, dude. I mean, what do you want? You have access to fucking credit. Most people don't in this world. Okay, straight up. I guess you better start selling shit if you don't have enough savings, dude. Sell all your shit that you don't need. Period. I mean, I don't know what the fuck you want. If you're gonna sit here and wait for a policy change in Washington, which I said is it's happening, there will be a policy shift in Washington. It's coming. There will be more money deployed. There has to be more money deployed, dude. Right? There is a way to cut living expenses. There's always a way to cut living expenses, dude. Okay, and safety and stability. Okay, please give me a fucking break, dude. I guess you shouldn't have a fucking child, dude. I don't know what to say. I mean, this is your problem, dude. There's millions of people out there, dude, that just do not want to fucking take responsibility. What do you want? You want a higher paying job? Go get one. During a pandemic, you're probably not going to find it. Like, I don't know what you want. Go get another fucking job. Like, you had the fucking choice to have a child, dude. Period. I'm not saying pull yourself up by the bootstraps. It sounds like it, but you got to do what you need to fucking do, dude. And sitting on a fucking form and wasting your fucking time, it's just a waste of your fucking time. Like, I tend to not even believe it because you're just sitting here and saying, okay, well, blah blah blah. Like, I can't save money and shit is expensive, right? I'm paycheck to paycheck. How am I gonna survive if I don't have a job? It's like, dude, well, you have a fucking job. You're probably fine. Uh, 3 months of living, please, dude. Okay, for oh my fucking god, dude. I don't know how old you are, but we've had a 10-year bull market straight up. Okay, so I don't know what you want, dude. Maybe you've never invested in yourself before this. Maybe I mean there is somewhere where you fucked up because there was plenty of time to save. We have not had a major pullback or correction in the economy for over fucking 10 years. Period. Like, you cannot sit here and blame everyone for your fucking issues, dude. And this is what I'm hearing. I'm literally hearing someone that's in despair and saying, well, there's nothing I can do right now. There is no way for me to cut my living expenses. Dude, I'm telling you right now, there's always a fucking way, dude. There's always a program. There's always a way. And I know this for a fucking fact, dude, because I got out of the shit. Okay? If you don't think I grew up in the fucking ghetto, that's fine. If you, okay, and then here's the thing, you're a single guy. Okay? Well, yeah, I am a single guy. Maybe that's fucking smart to be a single guy. Maybe I won't have a kid until I'm fucking 50. Okay? And maybe that's different for you because you're a woman. But what I'm saying is, do not sit here and bring your fucking child into it, dude. Like, this is bullshit. Okay, what do you want? What do you want? You want to go live in Germany where they actually pay you for maternal leave? Then go move to Germany, dude. I do not know what to say. Like, you decide to have a child in the United States. There's so many fucking errors in this fucking statement, dude. Like, I don't know where to even begin to say. I'm so fucking tired of seeing these fucking threads, dude. Because this whole fucking sub, dude. This is why I unsubscribed to this fucking sub. It's nothing but fucking garbage, over and over and over again, dude. Worldwide bankruptcy. Like, look, okay, this is what corporations, right? It's like, dude, it's all fucking day long, dude. What is it like to be poor in America? So forth and so on, dude. Like, I am so fucking tired of hearing it, dude. I'm so tired because I was surrounded by it 24 fucking 7 in Philly, dude, and I eventually got out. I decided, fuck this, I'm moving on with my life, dude. And I urge people that are in the fucking garbage situation, fix your fucking life, dude. All right. I don't know. Like, you can watch my channel. I can teach you how to trade. Now you can make passive income trading, right? Literally, you have 5 minutes to pull up your fucking phone. I teach you how to rate a chart, trade a chart. You start investing into something super safe like a REIT or a sector index. All of a sudden, you have more fucking money, right? Here we go again. Okay, you're blaming executives, dude. You're what? Did everyone forget that executives are corrupt and they're just gonna pay their execs more bonuses? Dude, it's just like, you're not telling me anything new, dude. All you're doing is putting a spotlight on shit I already knew. This whole fucking sub is this same fucking shit, dude. It's nothing but bearish sentiment, dude, all day long. And don't fucking get it incorrect, dude. Just because I'm being a dickhead here and saying I don't fucking agree with the sub, but I already know about all this shit. You should know about this shit. You do not need to sit here and read this shit all day long because it's the same shit. Okay, it's the same shit over and over and over. Look at it. It's just, I just scrolled down. We're scrolling. It's the same shit, dude. Over and economy's heading to disaster. Really? Why the future's up? Why are the fucking futures up if the economy's heading to a disaster, dude? Makes no fucking sense, dude. Period. Right? Why are investors putting more money into the US economy if the economy is about to fucking implode? Right? It makes no fucking sense, dude. It's just the same shit over and over again, dude. I'm so fucking tired of it, dude. I have not seen one. This is okay. Interesting. To actually message that guy. I haven't seen one positive thing, dude. One fucking positive thing. National evictions, cliff coming. Just unbelievable, dude. Nothing again, nothing but negativity, dude. This whole sub is negativity, dude. Period. It's just people wallowing in negativity, dude. This is why I unsubscribe from this fucking garbage, dude. So yeah, if you're out there suffering, suffer more, dude. Sorry, suffer more because eventually things do get better, and I'm fucking living proof of it, dude. Okay, and yeah, to all of those fucking idiots that have kids, you're fucked. How about that? You're absolutely fucked. And I hope it gets better for you, but it's likely not. You need to fucking sort your shit out. And again, and then if you want to waste your fucking time on Reddit, go for it. I have time. I have time because I was well prepared for this pandemic before it got hit. Period. I don't know what else to say. I had my fucking shit in order. Like, you guys need to get your shit in order. I went from tens of thousands of dollars in fucking student loans, credit card debt, other things. Completely flip my situation around, dude. So, and I've lost more money than most people will in 5 fucking lifetimes. Okay? On my own fucking accord in investments. So don't fucking sit here and tell me that you can't fucking do it, dude. Because you can do it. And I'm fucking proof of it, dude. And don't give me that shit. Oh, you're single. Who gives a fuck? Be stronger. Prove me wrong. Get off your ass and fucking do something about it, dude. Then you can be a fucking example for hundreds of thousands of fucking women out there. I got out of the situation during a fucking pandemic. Flex on all these fucking noobs, dude. So fucking tired of hearing bearish fucking news every goddamn day, dude. At least Lego's hiring. Go fucking work for Lego, dude. God, end of fucking story, dude. Fucking getting heated for the pre-market. Channels fucking energy into the fucking buying we're seeing in the futures. Let's go back to the futures, dude. Look at strength, dude. Fucking economy's imploding. Give me a fucking break, dude. Again, strength. Flipped it around, dude. Since fucking midnight. Straight power, dude. All the fucking way up. Taking all this bullshit out, dude. Let's see if we can get a retracement back. I fucking doubt it, dude. People are ready to fucking trade this market and buy securities, period, dude. They want in at these prices. We'll argue this at a time. Anyways, we're gonna try to join this Discord. I need to message this guy for this Thinkorswim Discord. I think this invite link is down. There is, let me see if I can join this real quick. Just give me a second. Still invalid. Okay, give me a second here. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to get that link from him. I don't know why this is down. Still invalid. Oh, this one came through. Okay, good. There is a resource center in here. I'm not trying to promote this guy's room, but I'll show you here. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for, let me just see if I can pull this up real. I want to show you guys something. Because there was a thread. Just give me 2 seconds. I don't know what the, I think it's this. This is it. This is what I want. I'm going to bookmark this. There we go. Now I can pull this up. So right now, this was bearish on Friday, dude. Guess where we are? Bullish, bullish, bullish. 24 hours bearish. So basically, in the last, see, it flips when the market's actually on, dude. See, this is the funny bit. This is what happens. People go through the weekend and then they get back to it and they're like, you know what? Fuck this. Let's trade, right? Because they're so tired of hearing shit that's like on our economy, dude. They're like, let's get this money, dude. Period. Close this. Koifend. There's some other tools I want to check out. There's so many tools, dude. Yep. This is gonna be huge, dude. This is gonna be fucking massive. Can't wait until this ant group gets listed in the United States. Yeah, there's a lot of shit, dude. What is this trash, dude? There you go. Camilla Harris, dude. Let's go. What the fuck is this news, dude? What the fuck? All right. Fuck. Just going through these sites real quick. What the fuck? Might subscribe to this. Get that up and running. Don't trade options. The fuck is this? Check that out later. All right, we're gonna leave it there. Get this uploaded again. Sorry for fucking flipping out, but dude, I'm so fucking tired of bears, dude. So tired of it, dude. I subscribed to all that bullshit in March, and it served me absolutely zero fucking purpose, dude. We're probably gonna take money off the table today. We'll just see how it goes in the first like 15 minutes or so. The lot of shit is flipping profitable again. We're already up almost $200. Like, there's fucking good, dude. And like, want to push net liquidity, save net liquidity for the next drop. That's really what I want, because I know it's coming. We haven't had a significant pullback in weeks. The selling we saw on Friday is very tame, and then mid last week was also very tame. It wasn't really a big drop. So yeah, I do not subscribe to our economy because it just will just make you fucking depressed as shit. Good luck trading this week. We'll be back for aftermarket analysis. And yeah, we'll leave it there.